Hello, guys, and welcome to yet another episode of What's on My Table. And today we've got this lovely hard drive. This is a WD Black P10 hard drive, which is specifically made for an Xbox. Comes with an Xbox Game Pass. It's a 5 TB, like you can see, and the MRP is around 14,267. It's got this offer, which is already sadly expired on 31st March 2002. Rest in peace. So apart from that, the hard drive comes with 5 TB of storage, and it looked cooler than the other drives that I bought. During the last Amazon sale, I picked up another hard drive. This was another 5 TB. This was also a passport, my passport, but this looked cooler, and I always had my eyes on this. So this was always retailing at a much higher price, at around 9,500, or even it used to cross 10,000 sometimes. But I took a risk and thought I could buy this and use it even on a Mac and even a PC, because at the end of the day it's just a hard drive. So it's got some little offer for Xbox, so I'm not sure what that is. My brother has an Xbox, so I'm surely going to gift him that. And as always, let's open the hard drive from below because it doesn't damage this top seal or cover. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open. Yeah, there you go. It's open. I can't wait to see the finish of this body. I'm guessing it is made of metal, but people say the hard drive is actually lighter than these hard drives, which makes me think again whether it's made of metal. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and see the hard drive. Looks pretty cool. For starters, this should help us open it. So you've got these neat little pull-outs which you can use to open the hard drive. So yeah, it looks pretty cool, honestly. It's a little thicker than your normal drives, but yes, it does feel like it's made of metal. It's got this shipping container look, if you like. Got nice little rubber pads below. Got all the other specs which you would need just in case you have to do a exchange of the hard drive. Apart from that, yeah, it looks pretty cool. We've got cables here. It's got some Game Pass, which I'm going to gift to my brother. The WD Black, I think this is a particular support document. Not sure what this does. This is the warranty card, and here is your cable. So it doesn't come with a C-type adapter, which I got with the other hard drive with this one, but it does have a 44 centimeter USB cable, which is the normal USB, or the type B, if I may say. So that's it, guys. I think we're going to go connect it and see how this works. Weight wise and size wise, let me just do a quick comparison so you have something to refer back to. I need to pull out a hard drive. That's probably lying around. So in terms of construction quality, the top cover is actually made of aluminum alloy because it feels cold when you touch it, while the actual base and the sides are made of possibly ABS plastic from what I can see it. And it's got really nice big rubber 4 little grips which make sure that your hard drive won't slip while it's around, in comparison to this, which doesn't really have a grip. So I think it's a really nice ad for a cost which is lesser than your regular hard drive. So I don't see any reason why you shouldn't be buying this unless you want something extremely clean and neat without any branding, and maybe a little smaller in size than this lovely little hard drive. So I think I'm going to upgrade to a few of these going forward. They look quite nice. I'll give you a quick review on what happened when I connected it to a Mac, because I was keen on knowing what has the Xbox version in terms of features that is different from the regular version, or the WD Black, which does not have the Xbox logo on it. So we'll know soon. Let me connect this and update you on that. Use the nomenclature. I use that to get an understanding of which drive is what, because I have all drives lettered from A up to J with backups marked as A1, A2, B1, B2 and so on. So that's about the hard drive. Looks pretty cool. In terms of the size, I think this is how much bigger it is in comparison to a regular hard drive with the same capacity. Thickness wise, let's see how thick this is. It's almost the same, but maybe around 3-4 mm wider. That's not too much of a difference, but otherwise the hard drive feels like it's made of metal because it's a little cooler when I touch it. So I'm sure this is aluminium, or alloy of aluminium. So I'm sure the heat dissipation from this hard drive should probably be a little better, but otherwise performance wise I think they're both comparable. I've not even opened this hard drive yet, but yeah, there you go. I don't think there's too much to do with the speed of the hard drive. It seems like the specs are all pretty much the same. So we're not going to open this for now. We can put these aside and we could probably start using these. Maybe this kind of looks nice, can be used somewhere as a sticker, I thought, but it doesn't look like it is a sticker. This looks like the Game Pass for Xbox, which I can share with my brother. So in terms of India pricing, this was actually priced at around 10,000 plus initially, whereas now it is available for as low as 8,529 rupees. And with the offer, I got a 10% back on SBI, which made it around 850 rupees lesser, which was around 7,650, I presume. And on the 7,650, I still get a GST rebate of around 18%, which amounts to around 15% of 7,500, which is close to another 1,000 rupees. So effectively, I got 5 TB hard drive for as low as 6,500, which brings down the per TB cost to as low as 1,300. If you do the math, you will notice that the price per TB comes down to just a little over 1,300 rupees. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the review, and you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates and more reviews on hard drives and the like.